So for a while I had this IKEA drawer sitting in my corner and I had nothing to do with that. So there was an option to get it under my table where it belonged. But as I thought, it didn't look really good. And there was an option to get it in the basement where my bambulab A1 Mini is. But after I realized the basement is a little bit messier and there's no space to get the IKEA drawer. So I get the bambulab A1 Mini here in my bedroom because right now I'm 2 days at home once per week, and I've decided to have my 3D printer here because everyone knows it stinks and makes a lot of noise, but not my problem because I won't be at home for 5 days a week. So I set a goal to make this bambulab A1 Mini and IKEA drawer the best workstation in my house. So let's get into it. First, I cleaned out every drawer so it can fit all my needs and eventually became the best workstation in my house. Just a little spoiler, this won't be the best at this moment because first at all, my printer is broken and I'm waiting for part from Temu to arrive. It will arrive the next week or in the next 2 weeks because there's problem with my hot tent which is broken because the plastic got all over the place, and when I cleaned it up the switch for my nozzle break and now it's all broken, it cannot be used. And because I worked all summer to save up for my new camera, I've decided to leave it there, and because I wasn't home entire summer I've decided to not fix it up. But now with the IKEA drawer it's all kinda seems right. So first at all, after I cleaned it up, I've moved the IKEA drawer to that place, and of course the bambulab A1 Mini from my basement. After that, I've moved all the filaments from my basement all the way up to the drawer, and I think it looks really great. But so I've decided to make the top drawer the one that stores all my tools, kind of like. So I've moved them all to the top drawer, and I think it doesn't look really great, but eventually I think this drawer will look great when I will print all the possible upgrades for it. The second and third is filled up with filaments, and I kinda don't know what to put in fourth and fifth drawer, so please let me know down in the comments. Please like and subscribe this video, and see you in part 2.